Let's go, Kristen. Eye on it, babe. Eye on it.
She got wheels.
Way to bring it back.
We called it out, man.
It's all right. That's all right, Kristen.
Right here, babe. Right here. Let's go.
Good eye, good eye, good eye.
They should.
Good eye.
That's 3.
Good eye, Kristen.
Don't help her.
3-1. Don't help her now. It's got to be perfect. If not, you get another one. Got to be perfect now. Here we go. Let's go.
Way to get on, Kristen.
Way to get on, Kristen.
She won right there.
All right, Bree, move her around, Bree. Go, twos.
Let's go, double deuce.
That's what happened, Bree.
All power, all power.
Let's go first.
Let's go, Hornets! Let's get it! Yeah!
There you go, Peyton.
Wait a minute. He hit the glove and then fell in. He hit the glove and fell in play. No, if you don't catch it, I would play it still foul. But it looked like he hit a glove. And it was on the inside. That was close.
Got 2 on you now, Peyton. Protect.
That's like right idea. You got the right idea. I like that. I like that.
It's all right, Peyton.
You had to make a play.
Let's get it, Peyton.
I like that. Here we go.
No running out the box.
There you go, run! Run, Peyton, run! That's it, way to move around.
Good job, good job.
Let's go, 1-3.
Let's go now.
Bring her in, bring her in.
Let's go, Faith.
Help the claws out, help the claws out.
Bring her home.
Hands up, man. You only got one. Only one out, Cole. One out.
Relax.
Got it, 1-3. Let's go, Faith.
Here we go. Ducks.
Here you go.
Get there, girl.
Daddy put it up, baby.
Hey, way to go through that tape. Hey, she went through the tape. She went through the tape.
I never knew.
Finish line.
In that race.
Man, Man, that was.
She did good. I thought she did
Man,
over bad.
oh my God. That was so easy. She dipped
Good
at the
job.
tape.
All right,
That
now.
was big.
That's what's up. Go, Make him work. That's what's up.
You got to take your time.
All right, 17, they're big now. You need that last up.
Hey, Kayla. Kayla, can you grab my jacket? On the chair under my bag. Okay. Yo, T-Bird, you got it. Come on.
Let's go, Hornet. Turn it up, ladies. Turn it up. Rally on two.
Have fun, Taylor.
Let's go, Taylor.
That's all right.
Be here, Taylor. Be here. Just like a batting cage.
Make up your mind. If you're going to do it, do it.
You got a 1-7?
Get on, Taylor. Get on.
Let's go, Taylor. You got this shit.
Anything close.
I on it.
Anything close. Hey, come on now. You got two. Anything close.